Installing new ribbon. First, release both upper cover locks and then open the upper cover. Next, remove the waist ribbon roll at the top. Now transfer the empty ribbon roll to the upper roll holder. Next, install the new ribbon roll. The new ribbon must roll from the bottom. Wrap the new ribbon roll over the print head and affix to the empty roll. Now, rotate the upper roll. The black print ribbon must advance past the print head. Close the upper cover. You must now complete a calibration before printing a sticker.